All right, so I'm about to do like a strategy breakdown or whatever, but I'm also gonna be back testing so you can see like how do I analyze the market? You know, what do I see? What do I need before I can get in? And the best way to do that is for me to back test. And the way I back test is go to this replay button and hold on, let's reset this. Oh, I'm on a daily, that's why. 15. Not the same. I go to I just got done trading, by the way. So I go to the replay button and I hit the random, and wherever it takes me, we are on Thursday, November 23rd, 2023. Reset this. Now I'm going to go to a new day. I'm going to have to skip a day because I don't trade on Mondays. So, you know what? Let's try it out and see. Let's try it out. And I'm on the 15. That's why I'm about to say. Okay, so what day is this? Monday. Again, I don't trade on Mondays, but what they say for educational purposes, let's see. Monday, so okay, new day, going to the daily. When you go to the daily, you can kind of look at what the trend, you can look at it a little bit, but I don't really like analyze that too much. So I go to the previous day low. It already took out the previous day high, so I go to the current candle, which this right here, one candle, high, and then I go to the next high that it could be targeting. So for me, it would definitely be this one right here. That's the next high that I feel it would be targeting. Then I go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I'm looking for any gaps, any supply and demand zones, or anything like that. I'm looking for some target areas. And first, I see a gap right here. And a gap is, which I can go into detail later, is when, because the wicks should be touching some way, and when it's not touching, it leaves a gap. Like if you go and back test every candle, the wick before and the wick after one candle are touching. So when it's not touching, that's a gap. So I see a gap here, and it would be from this candle's low right here to this whatever this candle's high wick was. So which is right there. And right up under that is a demand. So, but really, hold on, I don't know if I like that one or that one. I'm gonna see. I want to see what it does. I want to see where it wants to go, because this could be. This is also a demand too right here, or this one right here. So then we will drop down to the 15 minute. The 15 minute, and wait for a tap. So a tap or a break right here. So okay, now once it broke, now I need a bullish, which are these green candles, bulls going up. The way I remembered it was it has a U in it, like up. So, yep. But I need a bullish engulfing candle before I can get in. It gave me just that and some. And on a 15 minute, I like to go for a 1 or 2. I'm gonna take this down just a little bit. Really, I like to put it where the last candle wick is, or a little bit below that. But because it's an engulfing candle, I'll probably go like half the candle a little bit. So let's see. Very close. Boom. That was real close. But we in there. Anyways, refresh, do it again. Go to the hour. All right. I go to the hour just so I can get to the next day faster. If I do it on the daily, it like skips all the candles or whatever. So again, do the same thing. You come to your session, you know, and I'm marking the previous day's low, or the previous day low, the current candles low, and the current candles high. Now, because we done surpassed all of these other highs, I'm looking for the next target area. So the next target area would be, that's a little too close. I'll probably do this one right here. I like that one. Boom. What do? We broke structure here, and also have a demand right here. Now all we need is a tap. All we need is a tap and a bullish engulfing. It broke 15. Now this honestly, I would have gotten in on this right here. I would have taken that here, below here, and I would have took this probably for a 1-1, and it hasn't hit that, but a 1-2 straight to that line there. But since we kind of missed it, like I said, because we're back testing, let's see if this would have been good. And the reason why I would have got in right here, why? Because this bullish engulfing candles, like those are my besties, okay? Because it just shows you the strength that, like, it just shows you like who's in control right now, who has the strength right now. And if you I don't know, I ain't got no analogy for you, so that's just what it is. It broke this structure here, basically, boom, boom, boom. It created this right here, and then this candle right here blew past that right there. I'm getting in. I'm going to get in, and a 1 or 2. Once it hit a 1-1, now I'm watching. This is where you leave your runners, whatever you take partials, and then you let the rest be, or you trail it. So that's up to you. But so yeah, what time is it? Once I find a trade, I just move on to the next day, and that's a Tuesday, the 23rd. When was Thanksgiving? The 27th. That's the third Thursday, right? All right. Anyways, again, same thing. Let's go. Start of the session. Go into the daily. when you come to this session. Mark the previous day. It's the same thing. We're doing the same thing every freaking day. Same setups. Boom. Previous candles low. Current candles low. Current candles high. Look for your next target area that it could be aiming towards. There's a gap there. The next target area is right here. Next target area is right here. That's pretty high, and this is a gap, but whatever. I'm gonna keep it like that. Now we are on the hour. See, it's a gap there. It's a demand all the way down here, but it's a demand and it's a gap. Why? Because this candle is not touching this candle here, so it created a gap. When it's large gaps like this, and the gaps have to get filled, it's not, it's just a matter of when it gets filled, but it will get filled. But it could be months before a gap gets filled, but it will get filled. So this has tapped into a gap right now. This is the hour. So I would probably be looking for, let's see what the 15-minute got. 15-minute gave us a breaker structure. Breaker structure here. A demand right here. Why? Because this was the last candle before it went up. So we're waiting for a tap. There's a tap. What do we need? I need a bullish engulfing. Still need it because the wicks are still pretty good. So I'll still. Now this, I like it. So I'm gonna take it for 1 or 2. It's not too strong, but this is why we backtest. Backtesting is fun to me, honestly. I like to see what works, what doesn't work. So So yeah, that didn't work. So a candle like that, I'm gonna need another confirmation. We're just on the 15. So another confirmation on the 15 for me would be another bullish candle. That's what it would be. But if I get what day is this? Wednesday? 10. If I get a bullish engulfing again, I'll get back in. Now I need another one. That's the one. Same thing, 1 or 2. What the heck? Oh, come on now. Boom. So really what happened here was, just my stop was too tight, but I wasn't gonna have no stop that low. I mean that far down, so that didn't matter. So yeah. And I'll do one more because I need some water. So I got to go. Go to the next day. What day is this? Thursday, the 30th? No, that's at the end. So I think, did we trade Thanksgiving type of stuff? I'm gonna be honest, I forget. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't even matter. It matters to me though. I ain't gonna lie. 'Cause I'm trying to figure it out. I don't really trade holidays, so that's why I'm trying to see what day did Thanksgiving fall on. But it's okay. Okay. Previous days high, current candle. The high of that current candle was then. It already surpassed the previous day's low. So go to the current candle's low. And the next area it could be targeting is this candle's low right here. The previous candles were bullish, so we could possibly still be going up. But let's see. What did we see? Look, this here, it filled this gap right here. Fill that gap. Now we have some gaps. And I like to start with fresh charts every day because you may see something that you didn't see before. Or, it may be creating something that it wasn't before or something. So I like to start fresh to see what I can see instead of waiting for it to get to this area. If it didn't get here, oh well, let's try again. So some structure broken here, broke structure here. Why? Because it broke this low right here, creating a new low. So see what the 15-minute got. Here is a supply here. I need either a tap or tap down here, but let's see. Now if I get another bearish candle, I might get in. Okay. Yep. That's why. So if I would have got another bearish candle and it would have broke past all of these wicks right here, that means, it has some strength to me. It has some strength. The bears has some strength. So we want to go down, but we want to go up. So let's see if it taps into this supply right here. Okay, we got a tap. I don't like how it's looking right here, but what the heck? What is it? Why is that so light? Why is it gray? I knew I wasn't tripping. Oh, now I gotta see what that is real quick. Must be the... Oh, okay, current day. It threw me off with the gray. Okay. Now that we got a tap, now I need a bearish engulfing. And we're not getting that. I need another one because it went in. I need another one. There. I'll take that. Keep it where it is. 1 or 2. Since my 1 and 2 not past is low, I'm going to keep it there. Ooh, let me see. Hold on, let's see where this went before we see anything. A little over 101. But let's see. Yep, took me out perfectly fine. That one just didn't work. I wasn't liking this right here. This wasn't really, it was just too many wicks, it was just too much going on. But again, well, let's see how strong this supply zone is. All right, yeah, that's it for me. Now I gotta end off with a win, so now I gotta do another one. Daily. And I did say, yeah. So, because I'm talking and saying my thoughts instead of thinking. I know that sounds crazy, but this is the current day high. Current day's low. This is the low for the previous day, and we'll be targeting this area right here. So we're looking bullish for the day. I will need if I get a break of that break there, yeah, I need to either break above, break below. Let's see what it wants to do when it gets here. A supply here and demand here. Okay, what we need? We need a bearish engulfing. Ooh, I think you want to break. Let's put you back up. I got the break. The next area at right there. Some strong pressure. And a 1 or 2. Boom. But let's see if we could go to this next area. Next area, you could have taken it to the next zone area. Like it tells you where it wants to go. So that's it for this. Okay. Again, I will be going into details about every little thing, but this is it. This is the strategy. So, all right.